Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see about how to install Java JDK in your system. So go to your favorite web browser and just type Java JDK. So it will show the web page here, Java SE downloads. Go to the first link. Make sure you always go to the website, that is oracle.com. So we are going to download our Java JDK. Here the latest version while making this video is Java 16. So if you want to download previous versions also, you just scroll down and you will see Java SE 11, Java SE 8, and based on your requirement you can just download various versions. So I'm going to download the latest version here, that is Java Standard Edition 16. Just click the JDK download here. We have to accept the license agreement of Oracle, and you'll see various operating systems based on your machine. You just download your executable file here. So I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna use this executable file link here. So if you want to download in a zip folder also, you just click the link and just install your JDK. I'm going to use the executable link and download the file. In order to download, you just accept the license agreement of Oracle technology. After that, just click the download here. It will hardly take you 2 to 5 minutes to download the video. Once it is completed, we'll see how to install and run the JDK in your system, and how to set Java home, and how to set a path to your PC after downloading the Java JDK file. And we'll see how to set environment variable to your system. So if you don't know what operating system bit you are using, just go to the control panel and right click here. Control panel, and go to that, and here under the system and security, you just go to the system here. You will see the system type 64-bit operating system, that is x64 based processor. Based on this, you just download your Java JDK file in your web browser. Also, you can find control panel by right clicking your my computer or this PC. Right click that and go to the properties, and you'll find the system there, and just know your operating bit, that is 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system, by using that format. So it's still downloading here, just we have to wait for a little moment to complete the process. So I have already downloaded the previous version. Let's check whether that is present in my PC or not. So to check whether Java JDK is installed in your system or not, just use the command here, Java space hyphen version. It will tell you the version of your Java JDK installed in your machine. So I have previously installed Java 1.7 version, so it will showing the result of the previously installed JDK file. So if you want to know the exact path of your file, just type echo and percentage caps Java home. So we'll see how to set Java home in your system by using the latest version JDK file here. And when you run javac, so it will show this kind of commands here. Once this appears, your JDK is installed perfectly. And if you want to just know the javac version, just type javac space iPhone version. It will tell you the exact version of your JDK file here. So once the file is downloaded, we'll see how to set a path and how to set environment variable and Java home in our PC. So if you want to compile or do any task using Java, you have to make sure you have to set the Java home in your PC or laptop. So that is not compiled or that is not installed in your system, or if you are not set the variable name or variable value of Java home, you are not able to compile any Java tools or any Java application in your system. So after set your path, you just, that is mandatory to set a Java home path in your laptop before doing any task in Java. So it is the first and most important step before executing any Java file in your PC or lab. So it's going to download the file. Based on your internet connection, it will download the file in faster. The download is completed here. Just open this. Double click this. We are going to install that JDK. Click yes here. It's preparing to install the JDK. So the installation wizard here. Click next, and this will be your default path. The JDK is installed. If you want to change this file, just click here and change. I'll recommend to use this path as it is. Click next. Wait for the progress to be installed. Wait for a few minutes. It will complete the process. And if you want to know the access tutorial, API documentation. Just go to next steps, otherwise just close this file. And let's check whether the JDK is installed in your machine or not. Just go to the command prompt and type javac hyphen version. It will tell you the version that you have installed. Yeah, it's showing javac 16.0.1. That's our installed JDK version. And check whether it is compiled or not. It's showing some commands. And one more command to check whether we have installed or not. javac hyphen version. Okay, so now we are going to set the path to your JDK, and that is to set up environment variable. Just go to the control panel or my PC, right click that, go to the properties, and here in advanced system settings, here you will see the environment variable. Just click on that. Under the system variable, we need to set the path. So go to the folder and local disk C. Here you will find the program files here. Click that, and under this you will find Java folder here. Go to that, and you will find the JDK. Up to bin we have to copy the path. So copy the path here, and you need to paste. Click here, add new, and just paste the path here. JDK system bin. Click OK. Okay, if we want to add Java home, click here new. Before that, I'll tell you what is the usage of Java home. Wherever you want to use or to make all the Java commands like Java, javac, Java stack, that is accessible from anywhere or everywhere when you added this Java home path. So click new, give a variable name in caps Java hyphen home, and variable value you have to copy the path before bin. There is no need to copy the path up to bin. Up to JDK, go to the program files, Java and JDK. Up to JDK, we have to copy the path, and we have to give that as variable name. Paste it here and click OK. Okay, let's check whether we have correctly set our Java home path. For that, you just type echo symbol Java hyphen, we have initialized that in caps, so we have to mention that. Yeah, it's showing the file path here, that is local disk C, under the program files Java 16. Okay, fine. Let's, yeah, it's working perfectly. So we can now run any Java programs, or you can run any Java tools by using this JDK.